Díomh Georgia, Conas atá gachtainna. Okay, so shut on plan, right? The Masunu na sauna. Okay, November assessment, fihe. What do you need to know? Okay, so most of this stuff you will have already prepared for your recent Scrúdú Range. And there's one additional thing, but there are things that are not on this list. So this is going to help you focus on the things that you need to focus on. Okay, so Ivra Hain on Shomra Range. Ivra Do na Hover Scolia. Okay, so you need to know your Alver Scolia, Gaelga Mata Berla, Tiroliocht, Oliocht, Carpidigus, OSPS, OSSP, all of those. Okay, Ivra 3 on Scala, Sausaf. Is Mahlamus, Brawlamus, Fulum, Ni Mishtalum. Okay. Ray Vuckle, Lumlat Lash Laylin Live Low, Dum de Do dit, Doon di of Doif. Cain Tame, Kuitresh, Detresh, Carutresh, Fihitresh, Lartresh, Fihachon, Fihicuicon, Carucon, Dechon, Cuicon. Okay. On Aja Scolia, Ganzi, Lane Yvonne, Coham, Aja Scolia, school uniform. Na Rila Scolia, Tá Cusk Air, phone poke. Neil Gumacoganta Kiadaha. Okay? So you won't have as many hints and clues for some of these guys as you did have on your class test. Okay? And on blog. Mo Hail Air Skull. Mo Hail Air Skull. And on the paper, guys, you have a guide. It'll tell you what you need to do. Alta Hain, Alta Do, Alta 3. So just like you had before. Okay? So that will guide you through that there, and you'll be able to use that to help you. So Alta Hain ma anam agus Caldwell will make frastal Air Skull. Alta Do na hover a yenum agus na hover is fiarlum. Iver Alta 3 Oshna, Alta Cuig, na Ridica, Alta Shay, Mahurim Fuima Skull. My opinion is Mahlum, is Brawlum. Okay, so like we did before in class. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so just do the work that you've been assigned, and then assign some time for study and revision as well in class. Okay, and one last thing, on your exam paper, on your Scrúdú, you will have another little thing that's going to help you, which is a guide on how much time you should spend on each question. So follow that, okay? First 3 minutes is going to be to settle yourself down and to read the questions. And then from there on, you'll see, it'll tell you if it's Cuig Nomade for Keshta Hain, Keshta Do, Deh Nomade, and so on. Okay? Shin A. Slán go fóill.